Alright, so who'll be our next performer?
It's my turn, ma'am.
Zihad, it's you. Alright, give a big hand for Zihad.
My dear friends and my honorable teacher, good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon.
How are you all?
We are fine.
I am also fine. Ask me some question.
Okay. What's the history behind your name?
My full name is Muhammad Zihad Hassan and everyone call me Zihad, and my parents choose Zihad because it means striving or effort, and they believe in hard work and wanted my name to reflect that value.
Can you describe your hometown?
Yeah, my hometown is Shariatpur. It's not only my hometown, it's also my birthplace, and it's located on the bank of Padma River, and it's famous for hilsa fish.
Do you have a big or small family?
I have a medium-sized family. It's me, my parents, my two siblings. We all get along well, but sometimes it gets noisy with my siblings around.
Who is your role model and why?
My role model is my father because he's very hardworking and honest. I admire the way he balances the work and family life.
What's one of your happiest childhood memories?
My happiest childhood memories is learning how to ride bicycle with my father, and I failed a few times, but he kept encouraging me until I could ride confidently.
What typical weekday like for you?
My weekdays are pretty busy. I go to college in the morning, then attend coaching and in the afternoon. In the evening I study, but sometimes relax by Adda.
What do you like to do during your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy watching YouTube videos, especially about science experiment and technology. It's also it's both fun and educational.
Do you have favorite breakfast?
Yeah, my favorite breakfast is paratha with scrambled eggs. It's simple, but it's very delicious, and it's also keeps me full for an hour.
How do you usually prepare for exam?
Before exam, I make a study plan and revise some important topics, and I also practice my past paper to make to improve my confidence.
Do you prefer studying alone or with friends?
I prefer studying alone because it helps me to make focus better. And but sometimes group discussions with my friends can be helpful for me to solve tricky problems.
What's your favorite sport and why?
My favorite sport is cricket. I love playing it with my friends, and I also enjoy watching matches, especially when Bangladesh is playing.
Do you enjoy reading books?
Yeah, I love reading books. My favorite genre is science fiction. I think it makes me think about the future world and new possibilities.
What kind of movies do you like?
I love action or thriller movie because they are very exciting and full of surprises. I also love the visual effects.
Do you have any creative hobbies?
Yeah, I like creating things with my hands. Once I built a robot to using a kit, it was so much fun.
Do you enjoy spending time outdoors?
Yeah, I love to go park and playing outside with my friends, and being in nature. It helps me feel refreshed and relaxed.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be a software engineer. I want to create apps and programs. I think it makes life easier for people.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I want to see myself in university, studying computer science and learning new skills to achieve my career goals.
If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I would like to go in Japan. I really fascinated by their technology, by their culture, their food, especially sushi or ramen.
What's a skill you'd like to learn?
I would like to learn programming and coding. I think it's very essential skills to this world.
What keeps you motivated and when things get tough?
I stay motivated by reminding myself my career goals, my parents' support and believe me and also push me to keep going, and no matter how it gets hard.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alright, so there were some silly mistakes. It was excellent performance. I liked it a lot.
Thank you, ma'am.
And keep practicing. You'll be a very good speaker.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so big